Not many people realize it, but the city of Warwick, Rhode Island, located on the northwest shore of Narragansett Bay, is nearly surrounded by water. This time around, we met at the Pontiac Mills Canoe and Kayak Launch, just downstream from the Pontiac Mills complex.
And wood ducks are flying by right now as we speak, so that's a good sign.
This is what I envision. Beautiful gathering space on a river. It is just breathtaking. I have great people. I cannot emphasize how great my team is. We are.
How many marinas are like in Warwick exactly?
In Warwick, there are 18.
What?
But it was manned until 1965.
And people lived in there?
People lived in there, yes. So this is Rocky Point State Park now. The waterfront aspect of it does belong to the city of Warwick. It's approximately 123 acres. It was a very, very active waterfront park and amusement park.
When we put this together, we was always hoping to be more than just a food place and just a place to grab a quick meal. We want to be a meeting place, a meet-up place where friends and family can meet up. Top notch, 2 years in a row, best mudslide in Rhode Island. So pretty proud of that.
So today we're going to fish in Warwick, and we're going to start at Warwick Neck.
Oh, that's a fluke.
Oh, it's a fluke.
Oh, the fluke master.
All right.
Yeah, wow. They are so pretty, huh? It's nice to have another species to catch during the middle of the summertime.
Sure is.